Thinking about starting an AI automation agency, but you don't know how to code or understand machine learning yet? Don't stress. In this video, I'll break down the basics of Python and machine learning in plain English. And I'll show you exactly how it connects to building real AI solutions for clients. Hey, my name is Jonathan Vo, and I help businesses use AI to automate repetitive tasks and scale faster. I'm also building my own AI automation agency, and if you're doing the same, I suggest learning the basics of Python and machine learning will give you a serious untapped edge. So let's start with Python. Why? Because it is the #1 language used in AI. It's simple, clean, and works with all the major AI tools. Here are the key Python basics you need to know and how they apply in your agency work. So 1, variables and data types. Think of variables like containers. You use them to store things, like a client's name, a chatbot message, or invoice information. 2, list and dictionaries. Lists store collections. Dictionaries store key value pairs. You'll use these to organize things like lead info, automations, or customer responses. 3, if-else logic and loops. This is the decision-making part of Python. You'll use if statements to control flows, like if the lead doesn't reply in 2 days, send a follow-up. 4, functions. Functions let you reuse blocks of code. You'll use them to create repeatable automations like email summaries or chatbot replies. Libraries. Python has thousands of libraries. The one you'll use most are pandas, so that's for handling data, OpenAI for building chatbots or using GPT, and requests for connecting to other apps and APIs. Now, let's talk about machine learning or ML. This is what powers the smart part of AI. It's how computers learn patterns and make decisions on their own. There are 3 types of machine learning you need to know. So 1, supervised learning. So you give the model labeled examples. So for example, past leads who said yes or no. Then it learns how to predict future ones. 2, unsupervised learning. Here, the model looks at data without any labels. It essentially finds patterns on its own, like grouping customers based on behavior or purchase history. And 3, reinforcement learning. This is more advanced. The model learns by trial and error, like how self-driving cars or AI in games work. Don't worry about the math behind it for now, just focus on how these models help businesses. So how does any of this actually help you build or grow an AI agency? Let me give you real examples. So 1, chatbots. You could build intelligent chatbots using Python and OpenAI API. They respond automatically to customer messages, and you can add logic using basic Python if-else statements. 2, lead scoring with machine learning. Train a simple model to figure out which leads are most likely to convert based on past data. You could use this in CRMs or even in Google Sheets with a little Python. 3, email automation. Use machine learning to analyze incoming emails and detect their intent. Is it a complaint, a question, or a request? Then route it automatically to the right system or person. 4, automated reporting. Use Python to pull data from spreadsheets or CRMs and then use machine learning to analyze it, and GPT to generate a readable summary for your client. All of this, you can build it using basic Python and machine learning concepts. And if you're thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not a coder, no worries. Here are tools that let you use Python and machine learning without needing to be a full-on developer. So you have Zapier plus Python CodeStep. This is great for running small scripts in automations. You got OpenAI API. This connects GPT to forms, CRMs, chats, and many more. You have Jupyter Notebooks. These are free and easy for testing machine learning models, which is also what I was using, and very beginning friendly, allows you to run the code and just experiment and try various different prompts. And lastly, you have Kaggle. This is a great site with free data sets and beginner-friendly projects. Learning just a bit of Python and machine learning can level up your agency big time. You'll be able to build smarter automations, speak confidently to clients and developers, and charge more for advanced systems. So if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment. I want to know, what AI service or use case would you love to automate using Python or machine learning? Let's build smart and valuable AI systems and turn this knowledge into actual income for your agency. In the next few weeks, I'll be learning prompt engineering and recapping it in my next video. I'll see you in the next one.